In this video, I'm going to show you
can easily
how send a message without saving number in WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very
so you
end
don't
make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys. So, let's get started. And first off, open up any web browser and then add the search box. Enter wa.me / and after that, you need to enter a phone number whom you want to send a message with. Country code and without plus sign. For example, for Russia, country code is +7, so I'll just enter 7 and then. All we have to do is just enter a phone number and hit at go. After a couple of seconds, if we tap it open, will be taken to WhatsApp app, and then we can write down our message. In that conversation, as you can see, it shows me just a phone number here, which means that this number is not on my contacts. That's how you can easily send a message without saving number in WhatsApp.